Hello everyone, this is Harsh and you are watching WPF World. Today we are starting a new WPF tutorial series designed especially for beginners who want to learn WPF from scratch to advance. We will cover everything step by step, starting with what is WPF, its benefits, how to set up your system and later build real-world desktop application using latest .NET 9.0. If you are someone who want to master WPF in simple and practical way, then this series is for you. So make sure to subscribe and follow along. Let's get started. In this video, we will cover what is WPF, why it's still relevant in 2025 with .NET 9 and how to set up your development environment step by step. So first, let's understand what is WPF. WPF short for Windows Presentation Foundation. So as the name suggests, it seems it is something which develops some Windows application. So if you are thinking like this, then you are correct. WPF is a UI framework for Microsoft for building modern desktop application. It uses XML for defining UI and C# for code behind logic. WPF fully supports MVVM architecture, making it powerful, scalable, and testable for enterprise level application. So now let's understand what is the benefit of using WPF. WPF offers a range of benefits. With XML, you can separate UI from logic easily. It supports powerful features like animation, styles, and templates. It is resolution independent, meaning your UI look great on any screen. And now with the support of .NET 9, you get the best of both performance and productivity. So now we will set up our development environment. To get started, install the latest version of Visual Studio 2022 Community because it is free to use with some limited feature. To download Visual Studio 2022, you have to go to visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads site and click on free download for the community version. I have explained complete step to download and install the Visual Studio 2022 in this video. You can refer this video and you can easily download and install Visual Studio 2022. To install .NET 9.0 SDK, I have one video for that as well. You can go and watch this video and install .NET 9.0 SDK. Once Visual Studio 2022 and .NET 9.0 SDK install, then we'll open the Visual Studio 2022. Let's open it. During installation of Visual Studio 2022, you have to select desktop development workload. This is our Visual Studio 2022. Now let's create the first project. So go to File menu, and then select new, then select project. Here search for WPF. You can see here WPF application. Let's select it and click on next. Here you can give any name for your WPF application project. For now I will keep it as WPF app, and here also you can change the location where you want to create your project. Now let's click on next. Here you can select your framework version. As we are going to work with .NET 9.0, so select .NET 9.0 here. Now let's click on create. It will create the WPF application with some of the file that we can see in Solution Explorer. So if you see, this is the C# code and this is XML code. So WPF create two files, one for UI and one for code behind. So this is the UI and this C# code is our code behind. So now here I will add one control to show some text to our UI. So here I will say welcome to WPF world and I will close it. Let's run it. To run it, you have to click on this play button. It will run our application and we can see that text which we have written in our UI. So this is our first desktop application we have created and you can see the text here. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends and wait for the next video.